Welcome to the Global Mercy, the world's largest non-governmental hospital ship. So we're going to do a quick tour on board the ship today and let you see how she's coming along inside. Welcome on board the Global Mercy. You've just come up the gangway and you're in reception on deck 5. You still see quite a bit of work to do in this area, but it's coming along. And welcome to the bridge on Global Mercy. This is the brains of the ship. This is where all the navigation decisions are taken. We're just under 1 month from our first sea trial, so there's final testing going on and a lot of the systems. Here we are in the galley, very important part of the ship, I'm sure everyone will agree. When this is finished, it'll be serving about 3,000 meals per day, 1,000 each sitting. This will be the serving line, you can see it beginning to take shape. We have seating in here for about 660 people. You wonder, where's the other 300 and something going to be? Well, the folks in the hospital will actually eat in the hospital. There's an elevator that takes the food directly from the galley down to deck 4. To get an idea of the size of the hospital, this isn't even the full length of the hospital. The total hospital area is 7,000 square meters. It might be hard to imagine, but this is actually operating room number 3. Of course, we still have to put the lights up, we still have to put the pendants up and so on. This will be a fantastic place for many, many thousands of people that need hope and healing through surgery.